Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. In today's video, we are discussing CMDB topic, the CSDM, that is Common Service Data Model. This is a wonderful article which I have seen, and it is describing very well about CSDM. So CSDM is all about doing CMDB right. It means in order to make your CMDB a perfect one, you need to follow the CSDM, that is Common Service Data Model guidelines. Okay. In a nutshell, a CSDM is a way to collaborate between the technical part and the functional part of a CMDB, that is the information which we are getting from the devices, that is your native devices, and how to set up such data and consolidate it in a single view and make it available for future IT strategies and the decision making process. So if you are using out-of-box ServiceNow solution, ServiceNow has already working on the basis of CSDM. It means that it is following all those guidelines and standards which are must to make your CMDB right. In order to avoid the confusion whether it is a CSDM part or not, this article prescribes what is not considered under CMDM. That it is not one size fits all guide that define your application or business services. It means it varies from organization to organization, okay? And based on your organization, you have to define the CSDM area. It is not just a set of report, it is not just a code to install a product, okay? So basically, in a nutshell, you can say a CSDM is not a short-term arrangement, okay? It is a standard, it is a long-time journey which help you in maintaining your CMDB and maintain the goals of your organization up to a higher level and for a long time. It is not happening just by setting some report, it is not happening just by setting some attributes. You have to follow the complete CSDM approach, and one of that approach is following the out-of-box model. And this is the approach which you have to use. You should not implement all the CSDM approach, all the CSDM elements at once, but you have to go stage by stage manner so that you'll understand each and every stage and get maximum benefit, and then finally when all the stages are complete, you will have a robust CMDB. You can go through this article and then understand each and every step, okay, so that you can make a strategy of maintaining the data modeling of your CMDB. I will provide the link of this article in the description. Stay tuned, much more is coming. Bye bye.